चल मार।
So, given a choice, who would you choose? A traditional boy or a hot guy?
Mix. I never thought of it actually.
Definitely choose a trendy one, not the traditional one.
Hot chick.
That's a pretty hard question. I mean, it depends on the character. I'm not. It's not cheesy, but I know I'm being cheesy, but it depends on the character for me.
A mix of both. Definitely. No. Those are the rares, but the mix of both is necessary.
Model in looks and yes, traditional in values.
Maybe a hot girl in a traditional wear.
Traditional girl.
A hot model definitely, but then the purpose would be entirely different if you know what I mean.
Nowadays, girls are very free and frank, and boys who are traditional, they want to be their behalf also like them, and I'm not at all like that. So definitely, I will not.
A traditional guy or traditional handsome hunk. Same option. Yeah.
Hot model is hot model.
The values, it should be at least somewhat clear to 75% at least, because no one is perfect. So at least 75%.
Khanka values. Where do you see values in traditional people also? No, they don't have any.
Maybe to hang out for a cup of coffee. Even to talk, to have a conversation. Let's say that I choose for a traditional guy. He might be very conservative. He wouldn't really talk. So probably a hot model maybe.
Asked to choose on the appearance and all. That's it. A traditional or a hot model. That's it. No other options.
So, what do you think? Can you be a friend with your ex?
Okay. Shut up. Yeah, possibly. In case if the breakup is on good terms, then yes. And if it's not bothering me in the present or in future, then yes.
I don't think it's tough. What's gone is gone. So you have to look in the future.
I said it's completely depend how we'll break up.
She knows a lot about me. She knows a lot about me. So I think that's the problem. You can't discuss anything. Like you're friends, but you have a certain kind of boundary. Then you develop a certain kind of boundary. So I don't think that you can share everything with her after that.
It totally depends upon the condition how we break up. The thing is that. So the first thing is if we break up with a fight, obviously we'll be not a friend. And with a compromise, and the thing is that there might be the chances we can be a friend.
Yes, I will be. Totally. Definitely, I would love to, in fact. But I don't think that's the case with the boys. They never really, seem to, become friends after you break up. I don't know why. But I would be totally cool with it.
I mean, guys usually move on. I think they don't think much about it. But girls, they tend to pop out the things.
People are more open about relationship, and we are not Devdas nowadays.
He can help me with choosing the right one for the next time, obviously. So yeah.
Because you know the person entirely. The likes, the dislikes, what they like to do, your hobbies, etc. Especially they even know your, deep, dark secrets also. So yeah, I would be cool.
If it's one way, if the breakup was one way, then it's not possible. If it is amicable, then it's okay, possible.
What is the main advantage of being a friend with your ex?
You still get to share things. I shared my ex. You still get to share things. I don't mind that.
We are already free with them, so you can talk openly with them and discuss anything.
I mean, as long as it's mutual, if both of you know that, you guys are not together anymore, it's fine. But if one of you feels that you still can get together, that's a problem.
One advantage. The good thing is they already know you. So they'll bear you with whatever you do. So that's a good choice actually. Because they know everything. You don't have to say anything. And if you have any issues with the current one, they'll understand and they'll support you. So that's one advantage.
So even though we're out of the relationship, he might, not want me to go out with someone else or, hang out with my friends. So possessiveness. Disadvantage is they know us, so, they can, what do I say? It is a kind of mismatch also with the current one.
obviously somewhat we have a hope of being together again. So that will definitely not going to happen. So that will be the disadvantage.
Disadvantage. The current one may be feeling jealous. Yeah. That's the main disadvantage, and there you get many issues because of the trust and all. So that is the only disadvantage I see. Otherwise, it's okay.